Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, FWD. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.